Hi, I'm 𝗀𝗀𝗍𝗍, and today I'm going to share something groundbreaking, how I've used cutting-edge AI technology to clone myself digitally to sell tens of thousands of dollars in consulting services without ever needing to record endless videos. If you're a business coach, consultant, course creator, or expert, stick with me. This is for you. Here's the thing. Most experts overcomplicate video content creation. They spend countless hours scripting, recording, editing, and let's not even talk about hiring teams or dealing with expensive production. What if I told you there's a way to create professional, high-converting videos like the one you're watching right now in just 2 minutes? A couple of years ago, I started exploring AI tools. Why? Because I was tired of the constant grind of creating video content to engage clients and close high-ticket deals. I knew I needed something scalable, something efficient. After testing countless tools and strategies, I discovered the perfect system, a tool that allows me to create a digital twin, a realistic AI version of myself, to deliver my message authentically and powerfully. And here's the best part. The system I use takes just 2 minutes to set up. It's simple, it's powerful, and it works. With just a few clicks, I can create videos like this one to engage leads, close deals, and grow my consulting business exponentially, all without stepping in front of a camera. But there's a catch. You have to get it right. Most people misuse AI video tools, ending up with robotic or cringeworthy results. That's why I've perfected a process to ensure your AI videos are as natural and compelling as possible. Let me share 3 key tips that make my system work. 1. Keep it natural. Subtle movements and conversational pacing are your best friends. Overloading your avatar with exaggerated gestures? That's a quick way to lose credibility. 2. Master the setup. The right settings matter. From script length to pacing, dialing in these details ensures your videos don't just look good, they convert. 3. Hook your audience. The first 3 seconds of your video determine whether someone stays or clicks away. A killer hook combined with the right AI prompts can skyrocket your engagement. These are the same principles I use to close high-ticket consulting deals without burning myself out. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Will this really look natural? Isn't AI video creation complicated? Can I actually make this work for my business? Let me put those fears to rest. This system isn't just for tech-savvy experts. If you can follow a simple checklist, you can start seeing results within hours. And to make this even easier for you, I've put together a free, content-rich, one-page checklist, the same checklist I give to my 6 to 8-figure clients. It includes the exact tool I use, my 2-minute setup process, the 3 crucial settings you need to nail, my top 5 prompts for engaging video hooks. Want it? It's yours. Free. Just comment AI below and I'll send it right over. Imagine having the power to create professional videos that connect, convert, and scale your business without the stress. That's what this system can do for you. Comment AI now and let me help you transform your video content strategy starting today. Comment AI below to get the exact tools and process I use.